Do you believe in the existence of aliens? Well, I do believe aliens exist, and I'll tell you why. According to the National UFO Report Center, there has been an increase in the number of UFO sightings in recent years. This is a graph showing the increase from 1988 to 2013. Now, let me give you a couple of examples of recent sightings. November 1st, 2015 at 4:45 p.m. in Afton, New York, a resident reported seeing a bright blue-green sphere that divided into two small spheres. 4 days later, on November 5th at 10:45 p.m., another resident in New York State also reported witnessing two sets of three lights hovering in place. These are just a snippet of the many recent UFO sightings. If you are not yet convinced, go to www.syracusenewtimes.com/UFO sightings. Real thing for more evidence. I see a few of you look concerned, but I say we have nothing to worry about. Aliens like us have different personalities, so there's no need to be concerned. This increase in UFO sightings, however, got me thinking about why are the aliens here? What do they want? Upon my research, I found that many people believe UFO sightings are linked to cattle disappearance and mutilation. To be honest though, I'm not keen on burgers. Pork sandwiches, on the other hand, are my jam. So I wondered, are the aliens going after our delicious hogs too? Concerned, I looked up hog loss data from the USDA and found that our delicious hogs are disappearing and dying mysteriously too. And this seems to coincide with the increase in UFO sightings. As a concerned and hungry statistician, I ran a simple linear regression to test the association between these two variables, hog loss and UFO sightings. And lo and behold, there was an association. The linear regression shows a positive association between UFO sightings and hog loss, as you can see here. And our regression equation is y is equal to 4.43 exponent 6 plus 7.16 exponent 2 times x. In other words, hog loss is equal to 4.43 exponent 6 plus 7.16 exponent 2 times UFO sighting. The R squared is 0.903, which means 90.3% of variation in hog loss can be explained by the UFO sightings. But why are hogs? Well, maybe aliens had realized that cattle consumption was linked to colon cancer, so they decided to diversify their diet. Or just maybe they are using our earth-grown hogs for target practice or intergalactic Hunger Games. This is an atrocity. But hold up, just before I end this presentation, let me check the assumptions of the linear regression. Independence of observations. Since data was collected by two national agencies, we can assume this is met. Homoscedasticity. From our scatter plot, we can see that the two variables are homoscedastic, so this assumption is met. Linearity. The scatter plot shows a linear relationship between the two variables, so this assumption is also met. Normally distributed errors. The histogram shows a slightly right-skewed distribution, and the normal probability plot shows residual spiral along the regression line, hence this assumption is not met. Therefore, based on the fact that not all the assumptions were met, I cannot generalize the results beyond this sample. If you have a UFO sighting to report, you can use either one of the two national database services listed here. Both services respect confidentiality. Do you believe?
Free created using Powtoon.